Alright, what's up guys? It is storming out here. Holy cow. My electricity actually just went out for about a minute and a half. And I'm seeing if I can capture some lightning or something. You can see, oh, there's some lightning. Poor Mabel. She's in our crate hiding. Let's see if I can get down here. You can kind of see maybe the rain pounding on my car. I saw a little bit more lightning. It's grease lightning. That was corny. I'm never gonna do that again. Don't worry. I just want to capture some lightning. But it is pouring out here. I saw the lights or the sky light up a little bit. I don't know if this video is doing any justice, but yeah, streets are flooding a little bit. Oh snap. Come on, give me some thunder. Just so you guys know I'm not being dramatic. Oh well. Well, there's a little thunder. This is crazy. Oh man, guys. Oh, alright, that was pretty good. That wasn't too bad. It is rumbling. My house shook when the electricity went out. Like, flickered and then totally went out, and I just heard a big rumble and like my window shook a little bit. That's why I felt the need to even come out here and like show some recording. Oh. Alright guys, hopefully this doesn't bore you that much. Oh, there's another good flash. I don't know. I should probably go inside. It's not really smart to be outside in a storm recording, I guess, with your phone. It's starting to flood a little bit more here. Woo! Alright. Well, you guys stay awesome. See ya.